In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly sentence counter step by step so you can quickly count sentences, words, characters, and paragraphs in any piece of writing. This is a super helpful tool if you're editing essays, blog posts, scripts, captions, or any other content and you want to check your writing length fast without guessing. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top and type Grammarly Sentence Counter. Press enter and look for the official Grammarly page in the search results. It's always best to choose the official site so you know you're using the correct and most reliable tool. After that, click on the official Grammarly Sentence Counter page. When the page loads, you should see a text box where you can paste or type your content. This is where the sentence counter works its magic. Click inside the text box to activate it, then paste your writing if you already have text copied, or just start typing directly into the box. As soon as you enter your text, Grammarly will automatically analyze it and show you the sentence count on the page. In most cases, it will also display other useful writing stats like word count, character count, and paragraph count. That makes it really convenient if you need more than one kind of measurement at the same time. If you're working on a longer document, you can paste the full section and instantly see how many sentences it contains. This is especially useful for writers, students, marketers, and anyone trying to keep content clear and easy to read. For example, if you want to make your writing more concise, you can use the sentence count to see whether your content is too long or too short. You can also use the tool to compare different versions of the same text. Just paste one version, note the sentence count, then try a shorter or longer version and see how it changes. This is a simple way to improve readability and refine your content without spending extra time doing manual counting. One thing to keep in mind is that the sentence counter works best when your text is formatted normally, with proper punctuation and complete sentences. If your writing has a lot of fragments, bullet points, or unusual formatting, the count may not always match how you would count it manually, so it's a good idea to review your text before relying on the final result. If you only need a quick check, Grammarly Sentence Counter is one of the fastest tools you can use. There's no complicated setup, no downloads, and no advanced settings to learn. You just open the page, enter your text, and read the results right away. So to recap, the process is very simple. Open your browser, search for Grammarly Sentence Counter, open the official page, click in the text box, paste or type your text, and then check the sentence count shown on the page. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.